Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make commercial coated peanuts that is crunchy, tasty, perfect for business or home snacks. Alright, let's begin. In a clean bowl, I measured 3 cups of raw groundnut, then I added a little salt. After that, I poured in some hot water to it. You can see I added a little bit of salt because we need it to have taste. Okay, I poured in some hot water to soften the groundnut. I covered it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes so it will soften. Once that was soft, or once that was done, I drained out the water completely. Make sure you drain out the water completely, just like you see me doing here. Then I spread the peanut out in a tray to let it dry under the sun so that there will be no moisture left in the groundnut. Make sure that you are allowing your groundnut, your peanuts, to dry totally before you move on to the next step. Don't start the process when your groundnut is still wet. Now let's move on. I sieved in 3 cups of flour into a bowl because we'll be needing that later to coat our peanuts. Please, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Then in another bowl, I cracked in 2 large eggs, whisked them until they are smooth. I added half cup of sugar into it, whisk it again. After that, I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of salt for taste, and a little milk flavor. There's something people don't know. When you're making your coated peanut, just use milk flavor and come back later to thank me, because that will give your peanut that shine that you need. It will make it stand out from every other peanut you are buying from the supermarket. After combining everything, I added half cup of water to form a smooth batter. Not too thick, not too watery, just the right amount we need. Now it is time to coat the peanuts. To get a perfect round coated peanut, you will need a bucket. So I cleaned my bucket, poured in the dried peanut, then I added few spoons of the wet mixture, which was our egg and the other ingredient that we mixed into our wet mixture. I stir in a circular motion so the peanuts will coat evenly. Next, I added 3 spoons of flour into the same bucket and I mixed again. The flour helps the coat stick together to give it that crunch. You know that round shape you see whenever you buy peanuts? It is the flour. It is because we are using flour. Keep alternating between the wet mixture and the flour, a little of them at a time until all the peanuts are well coated. I will tell you the truth, this process might take a bit of patience, but trust me, it's worth it. Your peanut will turn out smooth, like very, very smooth and beautifully coated after you take your time to coat it, just the way I am showing you here. After that, it is time to fry. Heat your oil until it is hot, not smoking hot. Then gently pour in your coated peanut and fry on medium heat. Please make sure you are stirring occasionally while frying so they don't stick together or burn. Once they are golden brown, remove and drain on a paper towel or sieve. Do you get? Don't allow it to burn. Make sure you're stirring. Look at how beautiful and crunchy our peanuts came out. This is perfect. Like, there is no place you will take this peanut to and want to sell that they will not want to buy. Please, if you're learning something new, please take a second to subscribe. It will really help me grow this channel so I can share more recipes with you. Now let them cook completely before packaging. You can store them in an airtight container or package them for sale. And that is it. Your commercial coated peanuts are ready. Perfectly crunchy, delicious, and great for your business. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and share with someone who might love this video too. See you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.